G'day DIYs. I always like to bring my aluminium out just a little bit, and then I'm able to silicone it down there and I get a nice lovely finish. Always check your miters constantly until the glue is dry, because sometimes your mitre or your aluminium can move and it needs to be nice. And you always sort of go by feel. You feel your quirk, if it's the same. You feel that it's nice, and just check it a couple of times during the day. Now I'm going to go for a sanger, but this tile I'm going to bring it up here, so I'll centralize it. So I'll get a halfway mark, centralize it, and it will look good, but I'm going to have a sanger first. Okay people, we'll see you soon. That's going to look cool. I've got a few cuts around the bath to do and around my top. If I don't get it all done, but I should do, but it's Friday and I might have a little bit of an early knock off. Couple of cuts around my vanity, but no biggie on Monday after a weekend. It'll be cool. All right people, see you soon. Bye.